Hey, Becky. Oh, hey, you're back.
I am, yeah. I'm back. Finally.
So, how was the trip?
The trip? Oh, the trip was good. Really good, actually. No problems there.
Oh, that already sounds nice.
It was. The travel itself? Smooth. Easy. No drama at all.
Okay, but I feel there's a but coming.
Oh, there is. There definitely is. Because the trip was fine. But the hostel?
Ah, the hostel.
Yeah. Oh, that was something.
Something is never a small word.
No, it isn't. Not in my experience. Because I arrived there and immediately, I know this is going to be different.
Different how? Like, good different or different?
I open the door and I stop.
You stop? Like, completely?
Completely. I just stand there for a second. Bag on my shoulder, no movement.
Wow. Okay, why?
Because there are people everywhere. Everywhere.
Everywhere? Like, a lot of people?
Everywhere. There are people talking, there are people laughing, there are backpacks on the floor, there are shoes by the door, just everywhere.
Wow. So there's no calm entrance at all?
None. No calm, no soft landing. And suddenly, I'm very aware of myself.
In what way? Like, self-aware?
Yes. I notice my bag. I notice my steps. I notice where I'm standing. I notice everything.
Because there's a lot happening around you.
Exactly. There's music coming from somewhere. I don't even know where. There are voices from different directions, and I'm just there, right in the middle of it.
Wow. That's a lot to take in.
It is. Especially because I'm tired. I just want to sit down, but there isn't a clear place to sit.
No chairs at all?
There are chairs, sure, but they're all taken. There are people sitting, lying, leaning everywhere.
So the space feels full.
Very full. Physically full. And that affects me.
How? What happens?
I move slower. I hold my bag closer. I start looking for signs.
Signs of what? Like directions?
Of where I belong, of where I can go. Because right now, there's no obvious spot for me.
Wow. That's interesting because the place itself isn't unfriendly.
Exactly. That's the strange part. No one is rude. No one is unkind. But, there are too many people.
And that alone changes how you feel.
Completely. I smile, I nod, I try to look normal, but inside, I'm already a little tense.
I can imagine that. So what do?
I look around again and again. I'm searching for something quieter, anything quieter.
And you do find it?
Not really. There's noise in every corner. There are conversations everywhere. There's movement all the time. It just doesn't stop.
Wow, that sounds exhausting.
It is. And then I realize something. I don't want to stay here, not in this space.
So you decide to go to the room?
Yes, I take a deep breath, I ask where my room is, very politely, and I start walking.
And does it get better? Please tell me it gets better.
It changes, that's for sure, because when I open the door to the room... There are fewer people, but, there's much less space.
Oh, that kind of trade. Okay.
Exactly. There are beds very close together. There are bags under the beds. There's someone sleeping and there's someone else on their phone.
So it's quieter, but much more intimate.
Very intimate. Too intimate. I step inside carefully, very carefully. I don't want to wake anyone.
And how do you feel now?
Smaller, more careful. Like, every movement matters.
Because the space is tighter.
Yes, there isn't much room to move. There isn't much room to think either.
That's interesting. It's like the place tells you how to behave.
Exactly. In the common area, everything is loud and open. Here, everything is slow and controlled.
Same hostel. Very different spaces.
And very different feelings. And that's when I start noticing it. Not consciously at first. It happens.
Noticing what? how what exists around you is changing you all the time without you deciding it.
Without me deciding anything. I'm just reacting to the space, to the people, to what's there.
Wow, that's powerful.
It is. And this is just the beginning, because the longer I stay there, the more I notice things.
I had a feeling. I really did.
Of course you did.
Okay, so you're in the room now. Quieter, but tighter.
Yes, exactly. And I put my bag down very slowly.
Very slowly?
Very. Like I'm afraid the bag itself might make noise.
Wow, that careful.
That careful. Because there's someone sleeping and someone else turning in bed. And I'm thinking, okay, I exist here now.
Oh, that feeling.
Yeah, that feeling. Like I'm suddenly part of the room. Not invisible at all.
Because there are other people right there.
Right there. Very close. There's no personal bubble. None.
That would make me tense too.
Oh, I'm tense. I'm standing there, holding my jacket, looking around, thinking, where do I go now?
And is there space? Like any free space?
There is space, technically, but it's very limited. There's a small gap between the beds. There's one free corner. That's it.
So every movement counts.
Every movement. I sit down carefully. I move my bag an inch. I stop. I listen.
You're very aware of sound.
Extremely. Because there's a phone buzzing. There's someone breathing loudly. And there's a plastic bag somewhere.
Oh no, the plastic bag.
Yes, the enemy. It makes noise when I touch it. It makes noise when I don't touch it.
That's impressive. In the worst way.
I know. And suddenly, I'm not tired anymore.
Really?
No, I am tired, but now I'm also alert.
Too alert to rest.
Exactly. My body wants sleep. My mind says, stay sharp.
That's a tough combination.
It is. And I start noticing small details, like how close the beds are, how low the ceiling feels, how little air is moving.
Wow, so the room feels smaller than it is.
Yes, because there are too many things in it. Too many bags, too many people, too many sounds.
And that changes your mood.
Completely. I don't stretch. I don't sigh loudly. I don't even check my phone properly.
You're minimizing yourself.
That's a good way to say it. I make myself smaller, quieter, less noticeable.
Because the space demands it.
Exactly. The room decides for me, not the other way around.
That's fascinating. And a little uncomfortable.
Very uncomfortable, but also interesting, because I start thinking, is this me or is this the room?
Oh, that's a good question.
Right? Because 10 minutes ago, in the common area, I felt lost. Now, in the room, I feel restricted.
Same person, two spaces, two reactions.
Exactly, and neither one feels fully right.
So what do you do next?
I lie down, carefully, very carefully. I turn my body slowly.
Like a spy.
Exactly, a very tired spy. And I just stay there, not sleeping, just existing.
Listening.
Listening to breathing, to movement, to silence that isn't really silent.
That kind of silence is loud.
So loud. And that's when I realize, I miss having my own space.
Oh, that hits.
Yes, because here there's no mine. There's just shared.
Shared space, shared sounds, shared time.
Exactly. And sharing takes energy. A lot of it.
I don't think people talk about that enough.
They don't, because sharing sounds nice, but living it, that's different.
Especially when you're tired.
Especially then. And I'm lying there thinking, this is fine, this is temporary. But my body doesn't fully believe it.
Your mind understands, your body resists.
Yes, Perfectly said. And slowly, very slowly, I start adapting.
Adapting how?
I stop fighting the noise. I stop wishing for space. I just accept.
That sounds hard.
It is, but it helps because once I accept what's there, I feel a little calmer.
So acceptance changes your state.
It does. Not the room, not the people, just me.
Wow, that's powerful.
And a little exhausting, but real.
Very real.
And that's when I realize something else.
Oh, what now?
That what exists around us is never neutral.
It's always doing something to us.
Exactly. And sometimes we don't even notice it.
Until we're tired or uncomfortable.
Or both.
You know, listening to you, I can really see that room.
Oh, yeah? Good. Because I still feel like I'm there.
Wow, that vivid, huh?
Very. And the funny thing is, nothing actually changes.
What do you mean?
The people don't leave. The bags stay where they are. The sounds continue. There's still someone breathing. There's still someone scrolling on their phone.
So the room stays the same.
Exactly. There is still the same room, the same beds, the same space, the same everything.
But something changes anyway.
Yes, I change. Slowly. Little by little.
That's interesting because the space doesn't adapt to you.
But I adapt to the space. Yeah, that's exactly it.
Wow, that happens a lot in life, doesn't it?
All the time. We walk into places, and before we even think about it, we're already different.
Different posture, different tone, different behavior.
Yes. Like I whisper instead of talking. I move carefully. I even breathe differently.
Because there are other people there.
Exactly. Because there is someone next to me. Because there are people all around. Because there isn't space to forget them.
That makes you very aware of others.
It does. And it also makes me aware of myself.
In what way?
I notice what I need. I notice what I miss. I notice what makes me uncomfortable.
So the space teaches you something.
Yes, even when I don't like the lesson.
I know that feeling.
And lying there in that small bed, I think, this isn't bad. It's just different.
That sounds like acceptance again.
It is, because fighting it takes too much energy, and I don't have much left.
Fair. Very fair.
Eventually, I relax a little. My shoulders drop, my breathing slows down.
And the room?
The room is still the same. There are still people, there are still sounds, there is still no personal space.
But now you're calmer inside it.
Yes, not comfortable, but calmer.
That's an important difference.
It is, and that's when I fall asleep. Not deeply, not perfectly, but enough.
Enough is good.
Enough is very good, especially there.
You know, while you were talking, I kept thinking about myself.
I had a feeling you would.
Because I do this too in different places.
Oh? Where?
Waiting rooms, airports, even elevators.
Elevators are tough.
Very. There's no space. There's no escape. There are people very close.
And suddenly, you don't know what to do with your body.
Exactly. I stand too straight or too still. I don't know where to look.
Same. Eye contact feels wrong. No eye contact also feels wrong.
And it's funny because there is nothing dangerous there.
But the body reacts anyway.
Exactly. Because what exists around us is already shaping us.
Without asking permission.
That's the key. We don't choose it. We respond to it.
And that response is very human.
Very. And very shared.
You know, I think people listening right now are probably thinking of a place like that.
A place where they feel smaller or quieter or tense.
A bus, a classroom, an office, a shared room.
Or maybe a cafe or a line or a waiting area.
Places where there are people, there is noise, there isn't much space.
And if that's you right now, that makes sense.
Completely. There's nothing wrong with you.
You're just reacting to what exists around you.
So would love to hear from you.
Yes. Tell us about a place like that.
Where are you calm? Where are you tense?
Where do you feel comfortable? Where do you feel restricted?
Share it in the comments.
Because when you read other people's stories,
You realize you're not alone.
and learning English becomes part of that.
Not a lesson, a shared experience.
Exactly what we want here.
Thank you for spending this time with us.
Thank you for listening to What the Fun English.
Wherever you are right now,
Whatever exists around you,
it's okay if it affects you.
that's human.
And we'll be here again.
Same place.
New stories.
Bye for now.
Bye-bye.